I'm against it. Legalizing marijuana can lead to increased public health issues, such as higher rates of addiction and mental health disorders. It can also exacerbate respiratory problems and other chronic health conditions.
As someone who believes in personal freedom, I support marijuana legalization. Adults should have the right to make their own choices, and regulating cannabis can generate tax revenue. Plus, it could alleviate the burden on our overcrowded prisons.
I've seen firsthand how medical marijuana helps patients manage pain and nausea. Legalizing it ensures access for those who truly need it. Moreover, research suggests it might have potential benefits beyond symptom relief.
Well, actually, I'm torn. Legalization might reduce the allure for teens, but I worry about its impact on adolescent brain development. Additionally, strict age restrictions and education programs are essential.
I lean against legalization. We should prioritize other issues, and I fear unintended consequences. Furthermore, we must closely monitor its impact on society.
While I recognize the potential benefits, I worry about public health. We need strict regulations to prevent misuse and protect vulnerable populations. Additionally, education campaigns are crucial to promote responsible use.
I've seen both sides. Legal or not, responsible use matters. I think we need to find a balanced approach. Additionally, investing in addiction treatment and mental health services is crucial.
I am against it, because marijuana can lead individuals to experiment with more dangerous substances. Studies have shown that early marijuana use is correlated with an increased likelihood of using harder drugs.
The long-term health effects of marijuana use are not fully understood, and legalizing it could expose more people to potential unknown risks. Regular use has been linked to conditions like chronic bronchitis and mental health issues.
Some argue that legalizing marijuana sends a message that drug use is socially acceptable, but I think it could undermine societal values and norms regarding substance abuse. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.